With an ordinary beginning but extraordinary growth, its development speed accomplished its brand. In the globalized competition, with an internationalized vision and foresight, Baoma is heading forward upstream and advancing with each passing day. In 2007, Baoma Group built its new manufacturing R&D base in Suzhou National New and High-Tech Industrial District with an investment of 140 million yuan. With over 40,000 square meters of modern factories, 10,000 square meters of logistic bases, 5,000 square meters of training bases, hundreds of high-tech staff from engineers to mechanicians, from R&D and manufacturer, quality inspection and logistic control, to marketing and cost management, all are covered in the modern enterprise management. After years of unremitting efforts, Baoma Numerical Control has become a crucial base of high-precision machinery center and a renowned brand of high-precision CNC EDM tools in China. By far, Baoma Numerical Control products have adopted scale and seriation production from CNC machining center to CNC high-speed wire-cut EDM, CNC medium-speed wire-cut EDM, CNC brush wire-cut EDM, and CNC engraving and milling machine, high-speed small-hole EDM machine, EDM sinker machine, and various environmentally friendly water-based working solutions for many kinds of machine tools. Baoma CNC wire EDM machine ranks among the top of the industry with its features of big taper, large travel, high efficiency, excellent accuracy, and latest structure. The development of XKG2008 high-speed wire-cut EDM is a direct challenge to high-speed wire technology and imposes pressure on low-speed wire-cut machine technology. Baoma high-speed small-hole EDM machine is leading market sales in China with its superior taste, high quality, super stability, and low price. Working together with professional German machine tool design companies, Baoma has developed a series of machining centers and types of CNC engraving and milling machines, of which the performance and technical indicators have all reached the first-class level in the world. Baoma products set themselves apart from similar products at home with their absolute superiority in structural rigidity, operation performance, stability, precision, memory size, network, high efficiency, and environmental friendliness. At present, Baoma machine is mainly distributed in the overseas market, covering Western countries of Holland, Germany, the USA, Italy, and Russia. Today, as China's biggest brand manufacturer and exporter of precision CNC machine tools, Baoma Numerical Control Group has always been devoted to providing precision processing technology solutions for customers. With the strategy of internationalized development, Baoma Group actively explores the space and platform for global development by working together and communicating technology with quite a few international brands of the US and Europe, and by establishing the global layout of its own products. Its sales network covers all of the world, continuously providing excellent products and highly efficient service to customers. In the future, Baoma Numerical Control Group will continue to make unremitting efforts towards the goal of growing into the world's first-class precision machine, technology, and personnel supplier, forestalling all situations and advancing with time. In its infinite commitment to technical innovation, Baoma constantly develops new products that meet market and customer requirements. While producing precision numerical control machine, it opens the Technician Training Center in collaboration with the numerical control major of famous universities. Resorting to self-reliant innovation and heading forward with the rest of the world, the talented technician group, with active thinking and sparkling wisdom, lead the technical innovations and progress of the Baoma Group through science and technology. Its advanced production equipments and modernized manufacture technologies bring forth the powerful productivity of Baoma Group. The most precise design and rigorous requirements are presented with perfection by Baoma Group. The Technical Development Department, as the R&D center of new products, closely follows the world's machine tool development trend, constantly introduces and integrates world's new technologies, and makes substantial investments in the advanced computer-assisted design system to design and develop series of precision machine tool products with leading technology that meet the needs of customers and users of varying industries. A group of top-notch precision high-speed machining center, precision CNC graving and milling machine, and CNC low-speed wire-cut EDM are released to the market within the shortest development circle, guaranteeing the leading position of the company. Baoma Group commits itself to the research development of environmentally friendly products. Making substantial investment in cooperation with famous domestic universities, Baoma selects among over 800 recipes to develop the pure water wire cutting special coolant, initiating a revolution from oil to water of working solution, which has become the highlight of the corporate development and continuously extend to many other machines and is suitable for all types of machine tools. Baoma Group, regarding quality as its life, follows the production code of quality guaranteed service in strict compliance with quality documents, operation instructions, and technical specifications, and thoroughly implements quality inspection for products entering the factory, product processing, and products entering the warehouse. A mature and advanced quality insurance system has been established at Baoma. Organized production equipment and the excellent staff are its key to highly efficient work and superior quality. The company organizes and inspects its production in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standards, and follows the rigorous production process in component assembly and final assembly. The self-critical Baoma Group boasts almost all the safety quality inspection equipments and technologies, which serve the highly skilled technicians, and precision assembly working procedure ensures the quality of each single product. Baoma Group has won many certificates of safety product quality system, 15 national patents, and 5 golden prizes. Its new product, Water-Based Working Solution BM Series, have been awarded the titles of 2008 Jiangsu High and New Technology Products, and has been awarded of National Renowned Enterprise, Brand Products of Jiangsu Province, National Quality Trustworthy Product, National Customer Satisfaction Enterprise for Product Quality After-Sales Service, Golden Prize of China International Patent and Brand Expo. The chairman of the board of directors has won the title of the top 10 distinguished persons in China's industrial economy. Today, Baoma Group is playing a dominant role in the precision CNC machine manufacture in China, with its products being used by renowned enterprises at home and abroad, including Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, and Africa. Baoma Group builds up a customer-focused P2P business partnership with customers and seeks together with customers the solutions to problems. Customer comes first, which is the everlasting ideal of Baoma Numerical Control Group. Customers' needs are directing Baoma's development aimed to add value to customers' businesses. Baoma Group has set up its offices, distribution branches, and after-sales service network in over 30 cities and areas throughout China to provide the most prompt door-to-door service possible. Good quality guarantees service. Good service begins with trainings. From installation and commissioning of products, personnel training, original accessory supply, consumptive material supply, to the modern warehouse and logistics system, the all-rounded service of Baoma offers customers with one-stop service and support. In the face of the severe shortage of numerical technology talents, Baoma Training School commits itself to the numerical control industry by training and cultivating qualified numerical control talents for renowned enterprises. By far, the school has provided numerous school trainees for domestic and foreign companies. The excellent product quality, free training, and whole life service of Baoma have won universal recognition from customers. As a group company with a strong sense of responsibility, Baoma has continuously offered professional before and after sales service for customers around the world and has won recognition of more and more end users for its superior quality and service. Like rivers rushing towards the ocean and birds flying in full fledged with the wind, Baoma is soaring up towards a prominent role in China and the West.
Customer is God and good quality guaranteed service with a touch of internationalization and branding innovation strategy integrates global resources, trying to forge a Chinese worldwide famous brand.
In the future, with the resourceful supply of innovative force, it will continue to take the cultivation of talents as its core strategy, making constant efforts to cultivate professional talents with international vision, so as to keep Baoma Group youthful and energetic in the market competition. Baoma Group will constantly challenge the self, and its hundreds of experienced high-tech staff are the bolster for its development and prosperity. A higher goal triggers a stronger power. Today, Suzhou Baoma, sharing the mission of leading the development of precision machine tool manufacturing in China, will, based on its own power and wisdom, continue to regard pushing social progress as its own mission and respond swiftly to the ever-changing market demand. The company will also devote itself to the research, development, and innovation of environmentally friendly products, keeping up with the world's precision manufacture industry and exporting its products to enterprises of more countries and regions around the world. Baoma Numerical Control, your trustworthy partner.